Hey good people, it's Sheena and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to get down to the bottom of a question I get a lot. I get it in my comments, I get it when people are just starting their journey, especially if you have a similar hair type, and that is, how many locks do you have? So I can't be totally truthful because I really don't know. Somebody asked me and I may say 90, 99, 100, I don't know. But today we are going to do an official lock count. And I'm also going to talk about some reasons why I stopped palm rolling my locks and some issues I had with combining some of my locks. So stay close. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. Right now I just have my hair in a bun, but I don't have any rubber bands. So I will just do one side first. I probably should have brought a rubber band, but I honestly was about to do my hair for another style. And so I figured this would be a great time to do it. So, okay, I got a rubber band. I know I look crazy, so we're just gonna do one half up, one half down. So let's get started. And I know I just had another rubber band. This doesn't make no sense. I think I'm gonna just raise you guys up. All right. One. Y'all still with me? So, the top, which is where I have the most hair loss. All right, so 1, 2, 15, 16. 30, 49, 50. 50, 50, 50. So, so 84? I don't know how. But I think I started off with 100 and something, 110, 120. And the reason why I say that is because I feel like the clips used to come in like a box of 60, and I think I used to almost use up 2 boxes. Okay, so I took my hair back down so we can talk about why I stopped combining some of my locks the way I used to. Back in the day, we used to call it a double-headed dragon. You had 2 locks, you would put them together, and then here's one perfect example. So I had 2 locks here at some point. See? This was actually 2 locks. That lets you see how small my locks used to be, and I put them together just by simply 2-strand twisting, and this is the part that has locked up until this point. Now, a lot of times I'll just go through and continue twisting until it continues to lock further down. But what I used to do would be let them lock, and I would take the smaller of the 2 and cut it off. Why did I do that? I don't know. I can't remember why. But, you know, now that I've had my locks for a while and I have such thin hair, when I have this space that should have been 2 locks, and you clip one side off, it just makes it seem like the lock is thinner than it should be, because it is. So I try to keep both locks together. Sometimes people I know go in and crochet. I have not done any of that yet. Palm rolling. So I don't palm roll my hair the way I used to. And a lot of times people will ask, like, how do I keep my locks not to be like so frizzy? They're just very tightly coiled together. So I no longer palm roll the entire length of my lock. I just twist the roots a little bit, and I'm hoping that will help bring back some of the thickness of my locks. I'm not as worried about frizziness or any of that stuff as I was early on. So that doesn't bother me. I know everyone is into maybe some of the trendy locks. Now when I palm roll, I just palm roll the roots. I don't go down the entire lock like I used to. I still palm roll, but it's just the roots, because I miss the frizziness. I miss the coily look. And some of my ends are still coily, like some of these are kind of coily, but then when you get here, it's tightly sealed. But I miss that, and I actually need it because my locks are so fine and thin. Not completely stopping palm rolling, I'm just palm rolling differently, because I need all of the thickness I can get, especially since I feel like I lose so much hair having autoimmune issues. I feel like I have to save every hair on my head. 84 locks, you guys, on thin, fine hair. You can still have beautiful locks even if you don't have super thick hair, you don't have tons of locks on your head. I hope this was helpful and inspiring to you guys that maybe have the same hair type as myself. As always, thanks for watching and take care.